Alright, there are 7 whole numbers in a data set. The first thing we're going to do is write down 7 spaces here for those numbers to be. So 1, 2. Alright, so we've got 7 spaces there, and then they say the mean of the data set is 28. That's going to be important to know, but right now it's not going to be able to help us. Um, so we'll just highlight that. The mean is 28. The median is 29. We can actually use that right now because there's an odd number of data here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the fourth number in is going to be 29. It has to be 29. So we're going to write in 29 here. Maybe I'll write that in red so it'll stand out. So my 29 is going to go right there. The mode is 31. So somewhere after this 29, there's going to be more than one 31. The last number in the data set, or the least number in the data set, is 22. So we can write 22 over here if we're writing these in least to greatest. And then the greatest number is 35. So I know that this is 35 right here. And then these numbers right here would have to be 31 since this is the mode. 31 occurs twice. Now since 31 is the mode and nothing else is the mode, I know these two numbers have to be different numbers. I also know that they have to be between 22 and 29. So if the mean of the data set is 28, we can work with that now. The sum of all these numbers has to be 28 times 7. Because if the mean is 28, that means we divided something by 7 to get 28. So what that something is, well, we'd have to multiply, and we'd end up with 196. That's going to be the sum of all the numbers. Now we've got to figure out what these 5 numbers equal. So 35 plus 62, these two added up are 62, right? So I add those up. I get 797, and then 29 plus 22, or actually I'll just add on 29 to 97 here. That'll be 16, carry the 1 up here, that's 12, 126, plus 22 is 148, so I get 148. And what we're going to do with that number 148 there is we're going to put that and subtract it by, we're going to subtract 148 from 196, sorry. 196 minus 148, and this will tell us the two remaining numbers, what they combine to be, okay? So I can't do 6 minus 8, so I got to make this number an 8, make the other number a 16. That becomes 48. So these two numbers right here are combined to be 48, and like we said, they have to be different numbers, so it can't be 24 plus 24. So the two numbers that this has to be are 23 and 25.